The Court of Tax Appeals has deferred any ruling on the tax evasion cases of Senator-elect Manny Pacquiao. The CTA said it still has to start clarifying the issue of tax cases of Pacquiao pursuant to the order of the Supreme Court. More of this report from Lala Babilonia.
The tax court has set a clarificatory hearing in connection with the case filed by couple Manny and Jinky Pacquiao against the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR. The Pacquiao said BIR proceeded with the tax collection despite not undergoing the proper process, particularly the alleged failure of BIR to give them a final decision on disputed assessment or FDDA. FDDA is the process wherein a taxpayer is given a chance to question BIR's final decision. Denying Pacquiao's claim, BIR's handling lawyer Faith Farochilen said this.
So from the time the formal letter of demand with the final assessment notice was issued to Mr. Pacquiao or the spouses Pacquiao, they have 30 days to file a protest to the formal letter of demand in the final assessment notice. Actually, they filed. That's why we issued the final decision on disputed assessment. So they were accorded the due process that they were asking because they were able to protest the assessment.
The clarificatory hearing will be held this coming June 30 at 9 in the morning. BIR Legal Group Deputy Commissioner Estela Sales has this to say.
I don't think, we just have to go through the process, no? All the matters should be thrown before the courts, everything. We will articulate our position in every stage of the proceeding, and then the court will resolve that. Then we will abide by the courts. If it's not favorable to us, we can go to the Supreme Court. If it's not favorable to them, they can go to the Supreme Court, and then the final determination of the issues involved. Yun lang yan. Just like any other case na we handle, wala namang difference diba?
The Court of Tax Appeals gave both parties 15 days to present their memorandum of evidence, and Pacquiao's camp was given 10 days to present a comment on BIR's change of witness that will be submitted by BIR in relation with the motion for reconsideration it filed. For People's Television, Lala Babilonia.